Some of us are meant to be fast. It's the only thing we know. We seek that adrenaline rush, on a quest to not just be fast, but fastest. And once we plug in, it's all about that speed. Bolting from 0 to 100 in a flash, with electrifying energy, ravishing range, superior strength. It's a race against time, to go full throttle, to break all records, to beat the clock, to leave behind the finish line, to conquer time, to know true speed. It's a world where everything is meant to be fast. Presenting Realme X2Pro, India's fastest charging flagship. Realme smartphones dare to leap.